how to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today we're reviewing this magnifying clamp light, and this has 10 level of brightness, super bright light. It's supposed to be very sturdy and powerful magnification, and it is by a brand called Nakoos. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below in case if you guys are interested, but let's unbox this and see what comes inside the box. Okay. Oops. Alright, so this is a nice clamp that it comes with for the installation of the light. Let me show you guys what exactly is it here. So this is the light itself, this is the entire mechanism, how we can install it, and these are the brightness levels. So we'll see how this thing works. And here it is. Very nicely built, and there's like a LED ring that goes all around, and it is powered by a USB, just a regular USB, not a USB-C. So that's a good thing. I can just use my cell phone charger to power this thing out. In fact, it comes with a power connection, so let's plug it in. We'll see how this thing works. It seems like it comes with some mounting hardware and some screws and Allen key. So let me go ahead and connect this real quick. Seems like it has nice power button and brightness level, and this is kind of like a shiny finish, not a matte finish. I would have loved if this was matte finish. I can see some scratches, but that happens on the shiny finish. But I think overall it's all right for the use. It does swirl, so you can tighten this right from here, and it does have a nice spring mechanism. So wherever you mount it, you can adjust it however you want to, whatever you're working on. Let's look at the magnification. How does that work? So pretty good. I'm not sure if you guys can tell by looking at the I'm holding it all the way down. If I bring it here, you guys can probably read it. Yeah, very clear. There's this is smaller magnification as well, which gives it a better read in case if you're reading more closer or working on any piece of equipment like a cell phone, replacement battery, or whatever it is. I think this will give you an additional benefit. And the light, I'm pretty sure, is going to help, with the magnification. Right now I'm just using cell phone light, and I think overall it's pretty good. Alright, so to mount this thing, you must use this plastic piece that comes with it, and you should be mounting it right there with the 4 screws that is provided, and it shows you right here how to do that. And once you do that, that's pretty much the only installation that you need. These are the screws that we're going to be using. It seems like came with 1 extra screw. That's good in case if you lose one. So let's go ahead and do the installation. Not too bad, to be honest. Just 4 simple screws. Moving the cross pattern. think that's good enough. So now this thing can be inserted right here. So it does have these nice O-rings, like rubber O-rings, you know, that kind of holds things in place. And now you can mount this anywhere on your table or whatever surface that you have. Can go in like this. Okay, so I did the installation, and this is where I installed it. As you can see, this was a hole in my table, and I clamped it. It clamped in pretty good, so it's not moving anywhere, and this thing just slides right in. And I'm using this as a power. I just took that wire, put it on inside, and plugged it in. And let's see, there you go. So the touch, everything is touch. You just more like a tap. And this is how you change the colors. Right here, this is for the color different lights. And that's it. So I think overall I like the brightness as well. I'm gonna turn the lights off. Now let's see. Yeah, it is pretty bright. Quite bright. And let's try to read something. Not sure, I think it's probably too bright for you guys to see it, but let me dim the brightness. So, yep. Yeah. Pretty good magnification. It might not be clear on the camera, there you go. But magnifies pretty well. And overall, very happy with the quality of magnification. You might not be able to get proper magnification in the smaller one because that is something you have to be close to. There you go. All right, so you can see. Yeah, so I think overall it's pretty good. You know, love the look of the light and the build and everything, and I think this is a good addition to my table. So I think overall I love the setup, and hopefully this video helps you guys decide if you want to pick this one up. Again, this is the brand. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so in case if you guys are interested, you can just purchase that. So guys, hopefully you like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.